Hello, my name is Brian Smith, and today I will be discussing the questions that were posed to us by a professor to get to know each other a little better through this course. So the first question that was posed was, who are you professionally? What skills, experience, and superpowers do you bring to the course? So again, my name is Brian Smith, and I have recently been redeployed to the MedStar Telehealth Support Center Task Force that provides virtual healthcare treatment and consult to patients. This task force was created to mitigate the spread of COVID-19, allowing patients to receive medical consult from the comfort of their own home. Before this shift in my career, I worked as a simulation specialist providing and constructing procedural simulation education to clinicians and healthcare supporting staff. I have a lot of experience in adult medical education and emergency medical services. My simulation position was based on process improvement of clinical procedures and workflows. This has provided me the skills and understanding of how education can be used to impact patient care and create positive change in healthcare. The second question that was posed was, when you're not busy saving the world, what do you do? So what are your interests and hobbies? I have a deep passion for healthcare, traveling, and music. I have played the violin for the past 15 years and really enjoyed traveling to South America. I really appreciate health and wellness, education, and exercising. I work out 4 to 5 times a week, meditate, and go to optimal wellness workshops to better assist in my well-being. I have a very bad relationship with food. I eat everything I see. I really enjoy seafood, especially lobster and crab with extra butter. Therefore, I work out a lot. I love to read as well. My favorite book is The Power of Now, because it is a real world perspective about living in the present and learning from the past experiences without dwelling on them. The third question that was posed was, how do you expect you might use organizational change skills in your work, either today or in the future? So people are now opening their eyes to the inequities that exist in different systems of American culture and experience. We see that even within healthcare, there are certain populations that lack quality of healthcare because of the color of their skin, sexuality, socioeconomic status, religious beliefs, and ethnic origins. I want to use organizational change to improve quality of care for underserved communities, so that they can receive the best care options regardless of their non-normative or unaccepting demographics. The last question was, consider a recent change at work, one that affected how you go about your job. What was the initial reaction? How do you handle it? What could the change leader have done differently to make the change experience a bit less stressful and disruptive for you? So due to the pandemic and the need for more associates in the department, my supervisor requested that I serve the telehealth task force. This change was at first frightening and daunting because I had to learn a totally new skill, and it was a major change that would alter how patients experience healthcare. Even though I internally was uncertain and intimidated about my capacity to be successful in fulfilling the job duties of this position, I challenged myself to give it a try. No one ever expected our nation and healthcare system to be affected by the pandemic the way it was, so I know my leaders had very little choice but to abruptly ask me to assist in this task force effort. I would have appreciated it if my transition was a little bit slower. However, because the pandemic was unexpected, I understand why the redeployment happened the way it did. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you were able to learn a little bit about me. I can't wait to watch all of your videos and learn a little more about you. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.